I have 8 data sets here, which are the result of a paired end run, so really 4 samples. Forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, and so on. And I will be mapping them against human genome with BWA-MEM. And so first I need to tell BWA-MEM which genome index I would like to use here. I'm going to be using the latest HG30 and 38 genome build. This is paired run, and using this multiple dataset selector, I will be able to tell BWA to run on all of these datasets in essentially one go. So let's first select our first set of reads, or forward reads. So I'm going to click on multiple datasets and select all forward read. That's a forward read, that's a forward read, so total 4 of them. And then I'm going to do the same here, but here I'm going to be doing this for reverse reads. So the second. So essentially here I'm selecting all odd data sets and here all even data sets. I just need to check that. So here data sets 2, 4, 6, and 8 are selected, and here data sets 1, 3, 5, and 7 are selected. So I will at this point essentially map with default parameters, and I'm going to click execute. Once the mapping is finished, as you can see here, I will label each of the resulting BAM datasets with a read group information and merge them into one. And to add the read group information, I will go to NGS card, select add or replace read groups, and I'll start with the dataset number 9. The read group for it will be M512 blood. I'll just really put this identifier everywhere. And then I'm going to do the same thing for dataset number 10, except in this case this would be cheek. We'll do this for dataset number 11, and that now in this case this would be M512 child 2 blood. And finally for dataset 12. Alright, we'll do the same thing, just cheek. And once all of this is done, once all of this is done, I'm going to put them into a single file using Picard merge SEM files tool. So I will select these 4 datasets, which were just generated by adding read groups 13, 14, 15, and 16, 13, 14, 16, and we'll ask it to merge dictionaries, and the input file is already sorted indeed, and I will click execute. Now that the merging is done, we have one rather large BAM file, but it contains results of all 4 mapping jobs that we've done, because we now are using read groups. So this is an explanation how you can map with BWA-MEM. And your mapping, if you will choose to map with other mappers such as Bowtie2 or BWA, this is really conceptually very similar. But you still do need to understand what each of the mappers does, and for this I would highly recommend consulting original papers, which we also link to from the screencast web page.